Utah law has established protections for the children of online content creators. This new law gives kids a path to remove media they're featured in from the internet and requires parents to set aside money for them if they're used in online content. Now, the move stems from the conviction of Ruby Frank, a mother of 6 who posted parenting advice to millions of viewers on YouTube. Frank was arrested in 2023 and charged with child abuse after her emaciated 12-year-old son escaped through a window and knocked on a neighbor's door. She's currently serving up to 30 years in prison. For more on this story, let's bring in Tiffany Lee. She's a technology attorney out of California. Tiffany, thanks for joining us on this. What are some other important aspects of this new law?
One important aspect is that any parent who makes more than $150,000 streaming or using their children for content has to save part of that proceeds for the children. So hopefully we can prevent some of the child exploitation that way, at least financially.
And this law doesn't stop kids from participating in content. I mean, even though they actually can't give consent to be filmed here, but it does force adults to scrub the content they were featured in once they're of age. How significant is that?
That's extremely significant. This is actually a little bit rare among laws like this. So a number of states have implemented new laws that protect the children financially, but protecting children's privacy, the influencer child's privacy, that's a huge step forward. So that's quite significant here.
And so you mentioned other states. I mean, what other safeguards are we seeing put in place across the country as this becomes more prolific? And does this set a precedent for other states to follow suit?
Hopefully this sets a precedent. Only a handful of states so far have laws like this. And most of the laws are only, as I mentioned, financial protections. So a percentage of the earnings have to be saved in a trust for the child, similar to Coogan laws for child actors. But the privacy protections, allowing children to delete content made without their authorization, hopefully that's going to be precedent for other states to add that too.
Tiffany Lee, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.